That was a B-side too. Well, not like we ever had a proper A-side, but that was a B-side.